story tonight. 3 people now charged in the murder of 9-year-old Antonio Smith. The shooting happened last month on the 1200 block of East 71st Street. Eyewitness News reporter Paul Meinke tonight live at police headquarters. He has the latest from there. Paul.
Kathy, police have now charged 4 young men with the murder. They have revealed the identities of 3 of them. Gangs have long used youngsters as lookouts, shorties who will forewarn when rivals approach. Antonio Smith was not affiliated with any gang, but police say that his killer thought that he was. Antonio Smith, 9 years old, had left his house the afternoon of August 20th, was just a couple blocks from home. He had no way of knowing that his life would intersect with 4 gang members cruising in 2 cars, looking for rival gang members to shoot. Derek Allman, Michael Baker, both 19, and 22-year-old Jabari Williams, police say, saw their targets, got out of their cars, and Williams gave Allman the gun that would end a 9-year-old's life.
As Allman approached his intended targets on foot, he came across Antonio Smith in the rear yard of a residence. Believing that Antonio Smith was yelling a warning to his intended victims, Allman shot Antonio Smith multiple times, wounding him fatally.
Allman, Baker, and Williams are all charged with first-degree murder. Police say they have all given videotaped statements. The 3 were picked up earlier this week, in part due to what police say was important help from the community, initially providing gang nicknames which beat officers then developed. Gang members now charged with what was the execution of a 9-year-old boy.
Antonio Smith and the family has absolutely no background as far as gang involvement is concerned. None. 0.
A 9-year-old boy is basically when you shoot somebody 4 times or more, it's execution. You're executing a 9-year-old kid because he yelled. What the hell kind of day is that?
The shooter, Allman, was arrested and convicted for unlawful use of a weapon in 2012, sentenced to 3 years. He was released after 1, so he was out on parole. Police recovered the murder of the Antonio Smith murder weapon. They've traced it from Indiana, say that it's linked tentatively to 2 other shootings, perhaps, including another murder. Live at 35th of Michigan, Paul Meinke, ABC 7 Eyewitness.